Okay, we've got the cosmic dome panel. Press it on, or we can turn it off. I'll let that run for a moment. We've got some buzzers. And we've got a circle of LEDs that will change each press. You'll get a different colour and different pattern. There. This one here's the switch activated fan, so the press of the fan and we'll just start the fan going. So that's a good one for cause and effect. Then we've got a sensory bead roll. So the user can spin that round, have a look what's inside as well. And then the other panel, we have a vibrating plate, which is a nice deep hum. So that's another momentary. It only works whilst you hold the plate down. Then we've got whirly that users can spin. And we have the animal sounds. And the last of all is the mirrored bead chain, which is always nice to feel.